Okay, so what we're doing here for spring of 2026 is we're gonna dig down. James wants my gloves. And get some of the sticks and boards and landscaping timbers that we put in the bottom. What we have found is with all that material, we want to put stakes down, like to stake up our tomatoes. They just get stuck in there and they go all the way deep. So we're going to take them out and then possibly put in more soil to fill in the bed. But we just didn't really like having all the material underneath that would take years to break down. So that's what we're going to work on. So James helps us here. And you know, you hear people making recommendations of doing, you know, that kind of boards and cardboard and things like that, sticks or whatever. It didn't really work for us, so we're going to make a change for this year. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's a big landscaping timber. See if we can get this guy up. All right, so here's one of those timbers that I was talking about. That just didn't help us. So, I mean, it rotted a little bit, but not enough to make it worthwhile to keep it in there. I don't remember how much we put in this one, but it doesn't look like much. But we'll just keep working down and get any of the big pieces out. Actually, this is easier than I thought it was going to be. Kind of like treasure hunting, except it's not really treasure. Yeah, see, that piece is really annoying. All right, another one. I thought this one had more in it than the other ones. There we go.
Ho-ho pepper.
Ho-ho peppers? Yeah. We're gonna grow some ho-ho peppers.
Yeah.
This side we got really crazy. Most of those right there that have been pulled up were in this section only.